Each country has the authority to issue visas, which are types of authorization that allow a foreigner to stay or enter that country. And this visa is usually linked to some type of activity, for example, tourism, residence, work, and so on. So in Drake, we have here in Registry, visa types, a screen for this type of information. I will register some examples here. So I added some example visas here. In the Maintain Documents screen, we can register a visa, but before that, let's see here in the list of document types and see that there is a visa type. It is a read-only type, remembering that the document type is a field group for that document, so here the document type visa has a fixed selection of fields. We cannot change it. Among them we have the visa type. So, if we register a document that is a visa, it will require a type of visa from that list we registered. I'm going to fill in some information here just to illustrate. And I left the visa type to be filled last, which will come from the basic visa type registry. So, the point is that to register a visa, at least one type of visa must be registered. I'll select work here, save it. And if we filter now by the visa type, it should appear here in the list. So here it is. That's it. Registering a visa type is necessary so that you can register visas for your workers.